Hey guys, I'm here today with the Flash Furniture Elon table. This is the granite white top. It's 2.6 feet, so about 2.5 feet across, and it's bar table height. So if you see, I'm 6 feet tall. This is up to about my stomach, and so it's perfect for bar stools and all that stuff. But what really makes this special is the foldability, and so to fold the table, simply collapse this piece right here, and then that goes in, and then it starts to fold down. And then it folds super flat and can stow away, or wherever you want to put it. You can lay it flat, leave it standing up, however you want. And then to unfold, all you have to do is just pull down that right there. It's gonna unfold, and then just lock this lever right here, right there. So I think it's the perfect weight as well. So it's not like super duper light, meaning it'll like fall out really easily, but it's plenty light enough to be super portable. So love this table, highly recommend it. We've used it for parties and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, hope this video helps.